Falls 1 is done. We are going for falls 2. A very big steep. We have a started so yeah. The view from here, fantastic. Look. Wow. Here you have a lot of stores over here. That's cool. You can buy some food over here. There's a bathroom and restroom over there. So many stuff over here. This side if you park, much better. You have a lot of options when you park over here. That place not developed yet. Wow. I don't know. Actually, we can drive the vehicle over here to the falls too. I'm gonna walk. So the Bolinao Falls too. It is approximately 200 meters from the first one. Look at the boat. This is how it is. I like the vibe over here. Very chill and cool. Right, look at the entrance. This is the falls to entrance. Look at it. Beautiful. Nice. So entrance fee 30 pesos. Okay, that's it. As usual. Vlogger, so I'm going to try one throne first. Let me see how it goes. Okay. Just give me one throne. Thank you. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Nice. Everywhere the life jacket is 50 pesos, holla 50 pesos, and Pada is 500 pesos. That's the situation. Hello po. Wow. It's like a cascade water playing over here. Beautiful. You have a swing. I don't know how much you can swing over here. You have jump also there. You have one more jump there. No life vest, no jump. Okay.